Hey sunshine, it's Cady from DarkSunlight. Welcome back to my BUJO Bite series. It can be overwhelming to start bullet journaling, so my goal with this series is to break it down into easily consumable, bite-sized videos. In this episode, we'll talk about the future log and year at a glance spread. Year at a glance is exactly as advertised. It's one page with all the dates in the year. It can also include the numbers for the week. Year at a glance can be useful if you just need to check the date of something really quickly. Personally, I don't use a year at a glance spread anymore because I include mini calendars in my future log so I can refer to those to check a date just as easily. If you know you're only going to use your bullet journal for around half a year before it's full and you want to save some space, you could choose to set up your future log for only the 6 months that you'll be using the notebook. I personally prefer to include the full year just in case I do need to schedule something even further ahead than 6 months. Then, when it comes time to switch notebooks mid-year, I can carry over those dates into the next future log so they don't get forgotten. In terms of design, you can choose to make it as simple or as fancy as you want, and both a horizontal or vertical layout work equally as well for this spread. I tend to prefer a vertical just because it reads nicely left to right and allows lots of space to list events, but it's all up to your personal preference. A bullet journal is built consecutively, meaning future dates don't exist until you create them, unlike a regular agenda or planner, which contains all dates in the calendar year to begin with. So what do you do when you need to book a dentist appointment for 6 weeks from now? You write it into your future log. You can do this for any future events, such as birthdays, holidays, trips, meetings, and more. Then at the beginning of each month, after I've set up my calendar spread, I make a habit of flipping back to my future log and checking all the events and holidays that are coming up and copy them over into my monthly calendar. I like to divide my future log by holidays, birthdays, and then actual appointments and events. You don't need to do this at all, especially if you've created different bullets in your key for each of those items. I just find it easier to read when it's divided into categories. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And don't forget to follow me over on Instagram at dark_sunlight. I post more bullet journal content over there, as well as how my bullet journal looks when it's all filled in. That's it for today. As always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time.